Hello, friends. In a world where knowledge meets kindness, where science meets service, there shines a name, Dr. Devasis Mohanty, who is working as an assistant professor, S3, and head of the PG Department of Chemistry at Dhenkanal Autonomous College, situated in an aspirational district, Dhenkanal, in the state of Odisha. With over 25 years of teaching, he is not just a professor, he is a guide, a researcher, a social worker, and a mentor to thousands. A brilliant academic with PhD in polymer chemistry, MPhil and NET qualified. Dr. Mohanty has educated generations of students in chemistry, from basic to advanced. He has authored 8 popular books, contributed to national syllabi, and designed course curricula for Utkal University, Redhansa University, and Dhenkanal Autonomous College. Whether teaching in classrooms or mentoring through books, his mission is clear: make chemistry meaningful and life-changing. As a scientist, Dr. Mohanty's research is rooted in real-life problems. His innovative challenging resins help remove deadly metals like arsenic and copper from drinking water, making science safer. He has presented his work in Singapore, Barcelona, and across India, published in top journals, and earned global recognition for his contribution to environmental safety. He is currently guiding for PhD scholars and has mentored numerous MSc and BSc students in their dissertations and projects. His heart beats for society too. As a youth Red Cross counselor, he leads students in organizing 7 blood donation camps, planting over hundreds of herbal trees, and spreading awareness on HIV/AIDS and road safety. He trains students in first aid, disaster management, and humanitarian values, building not just careers but better citizens. Dr. Mohanty is also a science communicator. He writes articles in Odia newspapers like The Dharitri, The Samaj, and Vigyana Diganta to explain science to the public in a simple way. He has spoken on Akashvani and other platforms, proving that science is not just for labs but for every home and heart. For his immense contribution, he has received many awards including the Bharat Vidya Shiromani and the Prakriti Mitra Award for environmental work and the Rajiv Gandhi Shiksha Samman for educational service. He is a leader in many scientific and academic organizations like Odisha Chemical Society and Odisha Government College Teachers Association, helping shape the future of education in Odisha and beyond. He is an academic leader who has taken on key administrative roles such as administrative officer, IQAC coordinator, and head of the chemistry department. Under his dynamic leadership, the department has consistently ranked first and has inspired and guided numerous students in shaping their careers. Dr. Devasis Mohanty is not just a teacher, he is a torchbearer of science, a servant of society, and a source of inspiration for all of us. Let us salute such real heroes who silently build a better tomorrow.